Hi, I'm Wayne with Headsets Direct. I want to take a few minutes and introduce you to the HP Poly Mission 400 Classic series of wired USB headsets. So here's one of the headsets. There's two in this grouping. There's a 415, which is mono, so that's a speaker on one ear. This is the 425 stereo. And one other differentiator, the Classic, when you see Mission 400, the Classic has foam cushions. There's also a 400, and we're calling it the standard model, that has leatherette. So this is your entry level 415, 425, and it's part of the Classic series. And again, that's the only difference is you get foam ear cushions, ear covers on this series. As I mentioned, it's wired, has inline volume controls, so you have volume up, volume down, mute. It's USB-C, and it has a tethered USB-A adapter, so it makes it quick and easy. It will plug into anything you're going to connect to, if it's a computer or whatever device, because you've got it all right there ready to go, so there's no guessing of what you need. So let me go ahead and put this headset on so you can get an idea of what the microphone is like. Now I have this headset plugged in for this video, so this is now a live mic, so you can get a good idea of what the sound quality is like. So the 400 series will have one noise canceling mic. It has AI noise reduction built into it, and that's new technology that HP Poly introduced that filters out ambient sounds around you. So just making it where your caller hears you better and not all the distractions behind you. I touched on this 400 Classic having foam cushions. They are oblong, so they actually fit the contour of your ear a little bit better than past just circle cushions. The headband is adjustable, so you can get a good secure fit. The mic will rotate, so you can rotate it and flip the headset around if you want the mic on the left side, so nice convenient feature there. And then one last thing that's new for this Mission series is you only need one SKU for the single ear, the mono, and one SKU for the stereo. In the past, you had to have separate SKUs for the Microsoft Teams version. That doesn't apply with this series because the firmware will auto-sense what platform you're using and adjust accordingly. So Microsoft Teams users will plug this headset in, auto-configures, it actually gives you a Teams button on the inline controls, and you can pop your app and do other Teams features right from there. So again, one headset and you're done. So it really simplified the buying process there. The Mission series will come with a 2-year warranty, and it really comes down to the 400, 600, and 800, figuring out which one you need. And it's going to come down to budget. How many microphones do you want? The more microphones you have, the better the noise canceling, and what kind of comfort features you want. More padding in the cushions and headband. So those are the things to think about. This 400 series is going to be around $50. So a good entry level, great value headset. And then if you want more audio or comfort capabilities, then you go up from there. And again, I'll put a link in the notes below so you can see the chart we put together to make that a little easier to figure out which one you need. So again, this is the HP Poly Mission 400 Classic series, the 415 mono and the 425 stereo. If you need a headset like this or something similar from an authorized dealer, please give us a call at Headsets Direct. We're at 1-800-914-7996 or visit us online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks for watching.